Over a decade ago, when I was working in one of my former organizations, I went to Kerala to do an investigative story on Simi's terror training camp that was held in the hilly regions of Vagamon on the Kottayam-Idukki border. My investigations and the evidence I collected led me to the home of Shibli and Shaduli, two young men who were accused of having taken part in the Simi terror training camp. While I was in their living room, I saw a half-open drawer which had a revolver. There were pamphlets and sticks stacked in the living room. A very close family member of the men told me it was a toy gun, and the pamphlets were immediately moved out of my sight. The family member said to me that the men were innocent and that they were not terrorists. As time passed by, the two men were arrested and later placed in Bhopal jail for charges of terrorism. This year, both Shibli and Shaduli along with 36 others were awarded death sentences in the 2008 Ahmedabad serial blast case. As I continued to report on the banned Simi outfit, through the years, I met many ex-Simi members who said they were now leaders of the Popular Front of India, PFI. Simi was banned in 2001, shortly after the 9/11 attacks. For people who have followed Simi for years, it was no secret that the Popular Front of India was an avatar of Simi. Founded in 2006, the PFI was an ambitious outfit, unlike Simi. PFI had the money, the best legal minds, and huge support poured in from the Gulf countries. As a journalist, if you wrote a hard-hitting piece against them, they would flood you with legal notices. For years, UPA 1 and UPA 2 did not ban PFI. Many claimed it was because of political reasons. Now when the BJP government has finally banned it, again many say this has political overtones. But PFI is more than politics. It can't and shouldn't be looked through the tainted prism of left and right. What does this ban mean for the Popular Front of India? And why should this issue not be politicized? Let's unbreak this news.
Go back! Go back! Go back! Go back! Go back!
On Tuesday, the Ministry of Home Affairs issued a 6-page circular and banned the PFI and its associates by declaring it an unlawful association. The charges are serious. The Popular Front of India, Rehab India Foundation, Campus Front of India, Empower India Foundation, Rehab Foundation, Junior Front, All India Imams Council, National Confederation of Human Rights Organization, and National Women's Front. Overall, PFI and 8 affiliate organizations have been banned for 5 years. With this ban, the Popular Front of India has been added to the list of 42 banned terrorist organizations under Section 35 of the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act, UAPA. The circular states, the PFI created the associates, affiliates of front organizations with an objective of enhancing its reach among different sections of the society, such as the youth, students, women, imams, lawyers, or weaker sections of the society, with the sole objective of expanding its membership, influence, and fundraising capacity. The security agencies have said that PFI cleverly disguised itself as a socio-economic and political organization, but they have been pursuing a secret agenda, and that agenda is to undermine the concept of democracy in India. Some of PFI's members are the leaders of the banned Students Islamic Movement of India, SIMI, and Jamaat-ul-mujahideen Bangladesh, JMB. It has been stated that PFI has linkages to ISIS and has indulged in criminal and terror-related activities. One of the most gruesome of the cases was the chopping of the limb of Kerala professor T.J. Joseph in 2010. When raids were conducted against PFI, it was found that the funds deposited on behalf of PFI in various bank accounts were not supported by the financial profiles of the account holders. Over the last few days, at least 270 people with alleged links to PFI have been either detained or arrested by law enforcement agencies. Way back in 2010 itself, the Kerala police had seized country-made bombs and propaganda material related to Taliban and Al-Qaeda from PFI activists. In 2017, Kerala police identified several PFI members who joined ISIS and moved to Syria using fake passports. In 2017, a founding member of the PFI told a journalist that the motive of the PFI was to create an Islamic state in India. Indian security agencies have found that PFI played a major role in 2011 Mumbai bombings, 2012 Pune bombings, and 2013 Hyderabad blasts. From terror activities, kidnapping, arson, political murders, organizing protests to create communal unrest, and forced conversions, PFI has been accused of many crimes. But UPA 1 and 2 never banned the outfit. Many say that this was because of political reasons, and now when the ban has been imposed on the outfit, this too has been given political colors.
How come PFI is banned but organizations associated with convicts of Khaja Ajmeri bomb blast are not? Why has government not banned right-wing majoritarian organizations?
A ban is not a solution to tackle this problem. We have seen our own experience has been India's experience. The RSS has been banned thrice since Mahatma Gandhi's assassination. Has anything stopped? The campaigns of hate, polarization campaigns of hate and terror, anti-minoritism, calls by Dharma Sansads for their genocide of the minorities, all these continue.
We are demanding RSS also banned. The PFI is ban is not a remedy. So the majority terrorists, what can I say? The RSS also highlighting these communalism throughout the country. So Hindu communalism, RSS is spreading everywhere. So RSS and PFI, both are equal.
The issue at hand is national security, and there can be no compromise. India must fight terrorism with one voice and unified action. Elements and groups that want to polarize this issue should be identified and dealt with swiftly and transparently to secure faith in our systems and judicial processes. The rise and growth of any form of extremism based on violent religious polarization is a threat to democracy. But at the same time, justifying PFI and terrorism by equating it to the RSS, VHP and Bajrang Dal, as politicians are now doing, is as irresponsible as it is dangerous. Terrorism must be singularly seen as a national security issue. There's no two ways about it.